Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture we have to discuss a mini project. In that I will show you how to modify a 3D object. So here what I am doing, I am taking the same 3D table from the previous day which I have shown you, and in that we have to use the editing command to modify the tables 3D object. Okay, so let's see. Here see, I have taken the table from the previous day. Okay, and the editing command we have to use here to modify the dimension and proportions, okay, that we have to show you. So here you can see, first I will show you here in modify panel. Here we have a modifying tools. First is given move, 3D move command. So suppose this is your 3D object. When you hit on this 3D move command, what happen? Now select the object which you want to move. So I want to select the complete object, enter. So see here you will get the axis, x-axis. You can see user coordinate system is getting here x-axis, and this green color is y-axis, and this blue color is z-axis. Suppose if you want to move this table in x-axis, okay, so you have to select this red color line like this and then move it where you want to move. Okay, as per your, you can give the you can specify the move distance also here in command line. So move it, I want to move here. Okay, so move it. Okay, suppose here only you want to move this table in x-axis. Okay, you have selected, but you want to copy and then move it. So here in command line copy option is given, hit on that. Now see your previous object is there, and you have moved the copied object, see, like this. Getting? Same way, and now just press the Ctrl Z. This is our object. Now the next is what? 3D rotate command is also there. If you want to rotate the 3D object, you can hit on 3D rotate. Select the object which you want to rotate, enter. Now see here you will get the rotation axis. If you want to rotate this table through x-axis, so you have to select the this red color axis. Okay, if you want to rotate in y-axis, so you have to select. So I want to rotate this table through this z-axis, so this I am selecting this blue color. Select it, how much you want to rotate, this table. Suppose I want to rotate any angle, so specify the rotation angle here in command line. Suppose I have given 45 angle. See, it is rotate at 45, and you can see the previous one, here this one. So what I am doing now, hit on 3D rotate command, select the object which you want to rotate, enter. Now here I want to rotate through z-axis, so I have selected this blue color, and I want to copy the previous one also. So hit on copy and then rotate it. Suppose 60° I have rotated, then press the skip key. See, this is our previous table, and here you can see the table which you have rotated. If you want to just see, select this complete table, use the move command and move it. Sorry, you have to select the complete table from here. Okay, unselect this previous one and rotate it. From here also you have to select this and this. Okay, so I think everything is selected, but unselect this one. Now you can move it. See, sorry, here what I am doing, just select the complete, unselect the previous one, this one, and this table. Okay, we have unselected. Now here also we need to unselect this one and this one. Okay, now see, you can use the move command and move it. See, this is our previous one, and you have rotated this object at 60 degrees. See, it's look like this. Getting? So in this way you can use it. Press the Ctrl Z now. Okay, so this is our object. Now same way You can use an other editing if you want to modify. So other option is also there, mirror option is also given. Okay, scale, if you want to scale this table, so you can use the 3D scale command from here and select the object which you want to scale, complete object, enter. Now you have to select the base point. So suppose I am selecting this point as a base point. How much you want to scale? Pick a scale axis or plane. So suppose axis you can select how much you want to scale. You can give the factor 2 times, and you want to copy the previous one also, hit on copy and write down 2 times to enter. See the previous one and this scale object which you have done here. If you want to move your scale object which you have a scale here, so what you can do, select it and move it. See the previous object, and after the scale object is look like this. Okay, now again I'm pressing the Ctrl Z. Same way you can change the dimension, everything. Okay, if you want to change the dimension, that also you can do. So for that, better is what, you have to come here in wireframe, and if you want to see the top view, here in top view you can do anything. Just select the rectangle. If you want to change the dimension, if you want to increase the size, decrease the size, everything you can do it. Okay, so this is all about how to use the editing command, okay, to modifying the object, 3D object. Okay, so I hope that all of you enjoy this session. See you in next one.